Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will show you how to fix Xfinity modem blinking blue light. Here is easy guide for you. What does blinking blue light mean on Xfinity modem? A blinking blue light on your Xfinity modem or router usually means WPS mode is active. It's trying to connect to another device wirelessly. WPS means Wi-Fi protected setup. Helps connect device without typing a password. So how to fix it quickly? Wait for connection to complete. If you press the WPS button by mistake or on purpose, the blinking blue light will stop once it connects successfully. Usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. Cancel WPS mode manually. If it stays blinking blue for too long, then press the WPS button again on the back or front of your modem to cancel WPS mode. The light should go back to solid white or green if the modem is working properly. Now restart your modem. If the blinking blue light won't stop, then you can just unplug the modem from the power source, then wait for 1 to 2 minutes, plug it back in, wait 5 to 10 minutes for it to fully restart. The blue light should go away. Now disable WPS from the modem settings. If WPS keeps turning on automatically, you can disable it from the settings. Open a browser and go to 10.0.0.1. Then log in. The username, admin, and password. The password unless changed. If you have changed the admin password and the username, then you have to enter that username and password. Or the default username is admin and default password is only password. Then go to gateway, then go to connections, then Wi-Fi. Now find WPS settings, then turn off WPS. Save settings. Then step 5 is reset the modem to factory settings only if nothing else works. Then if you reset a modem, this will erase all your custom settings like Wi-Fi name, password, and etc. So here's how you can just reset a modem to factory settings. Find the reset button, small hole at the back, then use a pin or paper clip to press and hold for 30 seconds. Release and wait for reboot. It will take up to 10 to 50 minutes. 5 minutes up to, yes. Then connect. If it not solve that problem, then you can just contact with your Xfinity support. If the blinking blue light stays on permanently, it could means modem issue, firmware problem, hardware damage. So you can just contact with them by this number 1-800-934-6489, or you can get online help on this link like xfinity.com/support/contact us. Here is the final tip for you. If your modem is old, faulty, or rented from Xfinity, ask them for a free replacement, especially if this happens frequently. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.